Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Justin. Today we are going to be installing front and rear rack extensions on the CFMoto CForce 600. This is a 2022. The quad itself, all the accessories you see, including these rack extensions that are going on today, all come from Main Street Cycle down in Tishomingo, Mississippi. If you're not familiar with Main Street, check them out, mainstreetcycle.com. They have a great sale going on right now. It's only going on until the end of January, so it's not a whole lot longer, but you can buy their tune and clutch kit combo kit, and use the code CORNDOG, and you basically get the tune for free. It's like $407 off or something absolutely ridiculous, so check that out if you haven't. But let's get into these front and rear rack extensions, get them opened up, and I assume they'll be really easy, so this will probably be a fairly short video. All right, so I'll start with the front. Extension, instructions, pretty much the same thing that comes in all of these. That off, you got your hardware on here. So this is the front extension. Your hardware is just, I'm going to assume, spacers and longer bolts. So the spacers, here, I'll show you. Okay, so I assume what's gonna happen is we're gonna remove all of these all the way around. Then you'll drop one of these spacers down in there and then use the longer bolts that they provided to secure it. So let me grab my impacts here, get these out and these in, lickety split, be super fast. All right. It's going to be all these outer ones. Set these up here for right now. Go ahead and dump that out. Drop a spacer in each one. Grab our rack. Place it up there. And then I'm going to hand start a few of these. And we're just going to impact them down. I'm going to at least attempt to not put them in there super tight at the gate. Just to make whatever adjustments we need to make. This one's definitely going to need adjusted back here. All right, so I'm gonna go back through, tighten all these down, and then we'll do the same thing with the rear. Okay, so the rear extension is gonna be the same exact thing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. We're going to remove the ones that are in here now, and then we've got spacers and longer ones to replace them with. So let's get these out. One's all around the outside. Set these up here with the other ones. Let's bag up. Drop these spacers in. Drop these spacers into all the holes that we took the bolts out of. Set our rack on. Hand start some of these. I hand start all of them. I don't know why I say some of them. Gotta kind of coerce it a little bit. And then we tighten these down. And we are racked out. And that's all she wrote.
Let me tell
All right, guys, so there you have it. Front and rear extension racks on the 600. Super simple, super easy, great mod. Again, these came from Main Street Cycle, Tishomingo, Mississippi, mainstreetcycle.com. Check them out for all of your off-road needs. Anything from wheels and tires to factory parts to additional accessories, Main Street is the place to find it. That's all I got for you. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what else you want to see on the channel. Again, we're going to probably continue to shoot videos today, try to get some things wrapped up. And in my next video, and I'm getting ready to shoot a video. I don't know what order it'll come out in. If it'll come out after this one or before this one or exactly what. But I got a few things I want to say. So I'm going to get that video underway. If I've got time tonight, I'm going to do the RJWC exhaust. And then all we got left to do are wheels and tires, windshield, and this 600 is done with the accessories that I have. And this will be going back to Main Street, trade this in for something new. So just have to stay tuned to see what I got. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.
This place is jumping on.